Question 6. How many real value or values of x satisfy the equation the absolute value of b equals the absolute value of b times sine of 4x, where x is a value between 0 and 2 pi inclusive and b is not 0? Rewriting the equation without the absolute value brackets, we get b times sine 4x is equal to plus or minus b. Dividing both sides of the equation by b, we get sine 4x is equal to plus or minus 1. That gives rise to two cases: sine 4x equals positive 1 or sine 4x equals negative 1. Consider the curve y equals sine x, that's our base curve. We know that sine pi over 2 is equal to 1 and sine 3 pi over 2 is equal to negative 1. So in degrees, sine 90 degrees is equal to 1 and sine 270 degrees is equal to negative 1. But we're dealing with y equals sine 4x. This means it has a period pi over 2 rather than a period of 2 pi. So in the interval x greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 2 pi, the curve is repeated 4 times. Let's consider one repetition of the curve y equals sine 4x. And that's in the interval x greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to pi over 2. So in that interval, sine 4x equals 1 when x equals pi over 8, and sine 4x equals negative 1 when x equals 3 pi over 8. So from the graph, there are two solutions for sine 4x equals plus or minus 1 in the interval x greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to pi over 2. But the question wants the number of solutions in the interval x greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 2 pi. Because the curve is repeated 4 times, we're going to have 4 times the number of solutions. So sine 4x equals plus or minus 1 will have 8 solutions in total in the interval x greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 2 pi. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.